Alright folks, good morning. It is Sunday, December 22nd, I think.
Yeah.
And today I have to replace my U-joints. I don't have any money to do this, so I gotta do it myself for 50 bucks for 2 pairs of U-joints and a bottle of WD-40. I'm tackling it. I got my brace to hold that pipe, which I've got to shimmy my butt all the way up there. I'm glad I don't have big boobs anymore. I wouldn't make it.
You can't add that to YouTube.
Of course I can. What are they going to do? I'm not monetized or anything. They're going to take away a PayPal tip. Somebody wants to feel sorry for me? I don't think so. At any rate, that's my project for today. Because that the little needle bearings that live inside here, I think they're gone. So let's get this off and see what happens.
Let me help you.
I got one in the back going. Let me see. Okay, this is not going to be...
Oh, my elbow.
Oh, don't kill yourself trying to get back here. I can't get the car up any higher. It's on the lifts.
Don't worry about me. Just don't.
Alright, we got one more right here. Let's see if I can get this one off. Oh, I don't know if I can do this with one hand.
Use the power of you-know-what.
Well, that we can't say on YouTube.
Use the power of you-know-what.
Yeah, the power of you-know-what. Oh. Okay, hang on to the camera. Try not to get my ugly face in there.
Hold on, wait, get you. Alright, now it's...
Sometimes it pays to be heavy. You can use your own weight and inertia to get those ugly bolts. Like I had a tooth at the dentist, it was as hard to get out as this. And of course, there has to be a bunch of rubber bullshit hanging on to the muffler. Or, I think, yep.
What?
Everything is at a weird angle. I'm just glad it's not a Japanese car. It would be impossible for me to do anything, because you have to be a midget to get into a Japanese car. Let's turn it around and try it from a different angle. Alright. Oh, I feel like I'm rowing on that Viking boat. I got all 4 of them loose. Alright. Let's get this off and drop it. This is the easy part. The hard part's going to be the other side. It's going to have to be probably a part 2. Oh, look at that. I can unthread it with my fingers. Now I need a container.
Oh, of course.
I need some kind of a container so we don't lose the nuts. If we lose these, we're screwed. I'm going to put them in my zipper pocket here if I can find one. Never lose your bolts in the snow. Then you have to get out, sure. Oh, shoot. That's what I was going to get, was Loctite. Baloney. Captain Wonker.
Well, I said you should go back out, but you didn't want to. You're like, no,
Ryan,
we gotta fix the car first.
Ryan, you know, and as well as I know, that if we'd have gone to the store, my CRS brain would not have remembered to get the Loctite for the nuts. They will have to stay on there until
CRS.
I can't remember shit. Ooh, there's an important thing. We gotta remember don't want to lose that. That goes in the pocket.
Now your pockets, do your pockets have holes?
Probably.
Come on, kiss my ass.
You can't say that on YouTube.
But you can say shit.
No, will you stop it? We're supposed to be a
Professional team?
We're supposed to be reasonably civilized human beings here.
There's nothing civilized about anything on YouTube. Why do you think they allow,
Yeah, they'll take less junk, more journey off and demonetize them because they've got 2 cute kids and they go on camping trips. But because they got kids in their videos, they've been demonetized and they took away their
what, are you supposed to cuss and swear and be nasty?
You can't have children in your videos because predators might write something nasty about them or something salacious, or they might find out where you live and kidnap them, all kinds of things. In a way, I guess it protects the people who are trying to figure out a way to share their children, which is sad because grandmas like me like watching them. Alright, this is the tricky part. How do we get this out of here?
You got all the nuts out?
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this off now. We'll go back to a part 2.
Well, we gotta get this off from here. Now that I got the nuts off, I might have to watch a YouTube video to see how the heck this come off.
Alright, I'm gonna turn this off now.
There could be a lot of cussing going on, so we're gonna have to leave you for a few minutes. There'll be a part 2 of this.
Bye-bye now.